Is there anything more calming than seeing plump, cute little lambs grazing peacefully on lush green grass? But have you ever stopped to think about how these fluffy animals go from the pasture to becoming the savory lamb dishes we enjoy? In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the captivating process of raising lambs, from their early steps to their final stages. If you love lamb or are just curious about the process, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel before we dive in. The barn must be well aerated, clean, and simple to manage. Sheep thrive on a diet of fresh grass, along with added grains and essential minerals. Also, providing a spacious and comfortable environment helps ensure the sheep grow up healthy and stress-free. Sheep breeding usually happens in late spring or early summer, depending on the breed and local weather conditions. Ewes are pregnant for around 5 months. The warm weather and plentiful food during this time help ewes get the nutrients needed to support their pregnancy and feed their lambs. This schedule also allows lambs to grow strong before facing the cold winter months, increasing their survival chances. When lambs reach about 10 to 20 days old, they begin to be separated from their mothers and slowly start eating more concentrated feed and young grasses. Though tail docking in sheep remains a debated practice, some farms still carry it out to maintain cleanliness for both the animals and the farm environment. Spray markings and identification tags are critical tools for managing flocks efficiently, allowing for quick identification and grouping. This helps farmers with tasks such as separating groups, conducting health checks, and organizing treatments. In many regions, it's mandatory to tag sheep's ears with IDs to ensure effective livestock tracking, disease management, and accurate product traceability. Sheep are most commonly processed for meat between the ages of 6 to 12 months. At this point, their meat is at peak tenderness and flavor. After the sheep is slaughtered and bled, The skin is carefully removed to avoid damaging the underlying meat. Then, the abdomen is opened to extract the internal organs. The legs are also removed, and after thorough cleaning, the carcass is sent to the trimming section to be divided into market-ready cuts. Lamb carcasses are split into smaller sections like ribs, shoulders, legs, and thighs, according to commercial standards. This step is often performed by automated systems and cutting machines, ensuring clean and uniform results. Here, skilled workers manually trim off excess fat, tendons, and bones from the lamb. The meat is tested for hygiene criteria such as bacterial presence and heavy metals. It is then vacuum sealed in sterile packaging to ensure freshness and safety. Lamb meat has a rich, mildly gamey flavor that becomes especially tasty when cooked right. It's packed with protein, vitamin B12, iron, and other nutrients. Its fat is mostly unsaturated and heart-friendly. Lamb is often enjoyed grilled, stewed, pan-seared, or as kebabs. Apart from meat, sheep also provide rich milk used to create premium cheeses. The process of making sheep milk cheese begins with gently milking the sheep, either by hand or using mechanical milking systems. The fresh milk is then poured into large stainless steel vats, where special cheese-making additives, such as rennet and cultures, are added to initiate curdling. Once the milk has coagulated, the solid curds are carefully scooped out and transferred into a heated mixing machine to warm and stir the mixture, helping it reach the right texture and consistency. After that, the cheese is weighed and packed into containers, ready for aging or direct consumption. This traditional yet refined process brings out the rich, creamy flavor that sheep milk cheese is known for. Thank you, and see you next time.